Higgsfield.AI just launched something that most people completely missed. An AI influencer studio that's already paying creators real money with no big audience. You just have to create, then earn. All these avatars you see on screen were created inside Higgsfield.AI influencer studio, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can create your own AI influencer and start earning, both with Higgsfield or without Higgsfield. At this point, I already made a few avatars, so I understand how this process works, and I've broken the basic process into a few simple steps. So the first step is for you to create your base character. Set the DNA of your influencer. For you to do that, you just head over to Higgsfield.ai. So once it loads up, you come to the Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. It's create new, then come here to the character builder. So now this is just about you setting the foundation of the character, the DNA. So this is just about setting the foundation, the DNA of the character. You select the parameters you want, the skin tone, the body type, the eye color, everything that is needed. You are going to be able to edit it here. You're going to be able to select whatever you want here. And you can also use the simple prompts to get the avatar quickly. But for now, you just stick with the builder. So right now, we are not generating the content. We are just identifying the identity of our influencer. So I'll just build one right now. Go for human, female, Indian girl, Indian lady rather, black eyes, no scars, adults, advanced settings, face type, human eye details. Or we can just set this to wherever you want, or the body type, lane. I'm good to go then. So if you're ready, you click on generate, then it's going to start generate. I already generated an influencer similar to this, so I'll just show you real quick. Here is my AI influencer. He has a tattoos, and her name is Ashley. Since we are okay with how Ashley looks, then we are going to move on to the next step. But if you're not okay with it, you can just click on customize character, or you can edit it inside of Nano Banana. Right now, we just want to bring live into Ashley, so we'll click on try for free. Now it's going to take us to the motion library. Now it's time to animate the character. Everything starts here inside of motion control. This is where you add motion to your image. You can either use one of the motion examples available in the library here, but you can upload your own video or apply it to the character. Since I'm not using a custom video right now, I'll pick one from the library, and I think Ashley is about to become a dancer. Let's just choose one here. Stand about you HMS. Government make foot. Baby, what we finna do? Alright, so let's go with this. So you select your output quality, 720 or 1080p. Then you go to the scene control mode. So what this means is like, do you want it to have the background of Ashley or the background of the video? I think I like Ashley's background, so we are going to go for it like that. The next one, we click on generate. So we are going to wait for it to generate. So while it's generating, let's talk about the most important part, which is the earning. I know that's what you guys are waiting for. So when with these AI avatars, you can either do it, with Xfeed. So to earn with these AI avatars, we have two steps. One is to earn with Xfeed, and the other is a separate one entirely. So when with Xfeed, you need to join their influencer program, and you can do that by clicking the link in the description or the one that is going to be pinned in the comments. Higgsfield.ai.in. I'll just show you guys that real quick. So Higgsfield.ai.pen is going to bring you to this section. It's going to bring you to this section. Then you click on Start Earning. So since I already logged into my own database, it's going to like show how it is. Here are the available campaigns and all. Here are the available campaigns, and yeah. Then going from that, you choose a campaign you want to go. You choose a campaign you want to go with. Then you continue from there. So you choose a campaign you want to go with. Then you continue from there. So the second way you can end with it is just by creating a stable influencer. So since you already have your avatar, you create an account for it on social, maybe Instagram or TikTok, then you post consistently. You start building audience for your influencer. As your content performs, you can unlock trainings and later even start partnership with brands or other affiliate deals. And as your content performs, you can unlock earnings and later start partnership or affiliate deals with your influencer. So that's how the earnings is, and this is not yet generated. I'll just come back real quickly to that story. So alright, our avatar is done generating. So let's just check it out. Baby, what we finna Baby, what we finna do? Boom, boom, talking, I'm loving, baby, me for baby, what we And this is wild. This is wild. This was the original video we used.
Talking, I'm loving, what, baby, what we finna, baby, what we finna do? I'm loving, be what we.
Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to learn more about AI creatives and short films, check out my next video where I created a full Peaky Blinders style short movie. Birmingham vibes and all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.